as usual, for this question, we will first of all check if all the operators are siblings. As we can see, all the operators here are all from the same family, so they are siblings. So which means we can collect like terms here. So what do? We are told to move x square y, xy to the left. So let us first of all identify all the x square y and xy and move them to the left. So this is x square y, xy, x square y, xy. 2 are already on the left, so let's write them first. 9x square y minus 5xy. Then we bring these other 2 that are on the right, we bring them to the left. So it becomes plus 3x square y minus 8xy. So that is the left. Now let's go to the right. All the other terms we move to the right. What are the terms that are already on the right? These are the ones already on the right. So let's write them first. So that gives us equal to minus 10y squared plus 5yz minus 2ab plus 17. Now let us move the ones that are on the left to the right, which is this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that now gives us minus 4y squared plus 7yz minus 6ab plus 11. So these are all the terms that we have, both left and right. Now the next part of the question is to now collect the like terms after we've moved them. So to collect the like terms, let's first identify the like terms. These are the first ones we've identified. So that gives us 9x square y plus 3x square y. Then next we are taking this 5xy and this. So that gives us minus 5xy minus 8xy. Then we move to the right hand side now. This minus 10y squared minus 4y squared. Then this and this next, plus 5yz plus 7yz. This and this next, minus 2ab minus 6ab. Then finally, this and this, plus 17 plus 11. So that's the final answer. Did you get this try exercise? Let me know in the comment section. Keep studying. And remember, in mathematics, it's all connected.